Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find liked reels on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then right here you can tap at that watch icon, and then you can start playing any reel. You can swipe through all of that suggested reels, and once you find one that you liked, you can hit this thumbs up button, and let's say you closed the Facebook app after that, and now you want to quickly find the reels that you liked before. All you have to do in that case is just hit right here at menu icon. Then among these shortcuts you can easily find reels. Just get into it. It continues showing you the reels. You can scroll through reels feed just like that, but if you want to find the reels that you liked, you should tap right here at your profile icon, and right here you can find my reels and liked reels. Just hit on the liked reels, and right here you can easily find the reel that I have just liked. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.